Okay, I am going to heat up some beeswax so I can put them on my frames, help my bees out. On this big hunk of beeswax, I don't know, my camera can even see it. It's been sitting out in the sun, so it's very pliable. That's probably plenty. I suggest if you use one of these, use it only for beeswax, because you're probably never getting it out of it. I'm not planning on it. Get this to melting. I can't remember what temperature beeswax melts at. I'm going to clean these up a little bit. Molly. While my beeswax melts, and then I have to figure out how I'm going to get it on the trays without a paint roller, because I don't have one. Anyway, we're going to pause this until I find something. And while that warms up. Well, that is heating up really fast. I'm going to turn it down some. There's some spiders on here. They're eating. Everybody keeps telling me the bees will clean this up. We'll see. I have some really, really dirty ones we're going to try. Okay, I'm back. And I kind of got my wax a little hotter than I should have probably done. I should have done it way lower. It's been a while since I melted beeswax. I'm going to paint that on here. If you have a rolling paintbrush, it'll work a lot better. Just roll it on. Probably unplug this now. And this frying pan from now on will be for my waxing my trays. You can soak it up a little bit better. I think the more I put on here, the better off they're going to be. And it is just 100% unbleached beeswax I'm using. I wonder if I pour it. It's probably not a good idea, because then I have to put it in something that I can pour. Maybe a cup I can throw away. We'll try a measuring cup, because this is going to take forever. Oh yeah, you can see it's cooling already and sticking. Told this helps them out, speeds them up, and since I'm planning on splitting my hive, I want to give them as much opportunity to get everything done before winter. It is only July, and I am still feeding them. I'm planning on splitting, and I'm not taking honey from them this year. doing 5 trays with the wax. I need more wax. I'm sure there's better ways to do this, like remember to get a paint roller, which I forgot to do. But I'm going to do it anyway. I want to get done today. And I don't want to drive all the way to town. We live about 8 miles out of town. I think it's 8. I'm not worrying about it being even. I was told the bees are going to fix it. I'm just giving them the material to do it with. Anyway, you don't want to watch me do all those. I am going to stick this in there with them when I put the brood box on top. Give them some more room, and I'm going to leave this like it is, and we'll check and see what it looks like, see if they really do clean it up. So I'll know for future reference. I'm doing 2 really dirty ones that I was told just put them in there and the bees will take care of them. So we will see if that really works. Didn't have quite enough beeswax. This beeswax is pretty old, so don't worry about it. It'll be fine. Go in? Yes, it is. Okay, my plan is I have my really dirty ones over here. I want to keep track of where they are. And these ones I'm going to swap out with the brood that's in the box. So I stack this on top of my existing hive. I put 3 of the bottom 3 that are in the existing hive in this section, and I put these in the bottom section where I take them out. These are my waxed ones. And then we'll come back and check it in a week or so and see if they filled out the ones that I drop in the bottom, and see if they fill out anything on top, and figure out where my queen is, because I want to break them into 2 hives. We'll see.